Best deals.
1. Lunchbox. Featuring a sleek rectangle shape, this lunchbox is not only stylish but also functional. The included steel separator plate allows you to keep different food items neatly organized, preventing any mixing of flavors. Plus, the secure locking clip ensures that your meals stay fresh. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Sharpener. You can safely sharpen the blade without worrying about cutting yourself, with non-slip base under its bottom which provides more stability base when sharpen your knife. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Puttu Maker. Elevate your culinary skills with our premium Puttu Maker Kudam and indulge in the authentic flavors of South India. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, our Puttu Maker is guaranteed to impress. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Laundry Sorter. This is a roll-free laundry sorter container made of the sturdy powder-coated finished steel. With an extra horizontal bar behind makes a whole solid frame that lasts longer and carry heavier load. 3 individual bags allow more possibility to sort your laundry is for different purpose. The efficient laundry basket trolley it easy to organize your clothes. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Scalp Massager. Featuring 96 soft silicone bristles and 360 degrees kneading mimics, it replicates a real hand massage to boost blood circulation and reduce hair fall. Use for 10 minutes every day to control dandruff and improve oil absorption. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Trolley. Have 4 swivel wheels, which can rotate 360 degrees and can be easily pushed anywhere, even park in a small corner, saving you space to the greatest extent. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage Basket. Made of heavy PVC material, which keeps your things safely and high-quality construction ensures durability. Whereas, the thoughtful functionality takes these containers set to a whole new level, can store anything and everything that you wish to. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Ice Cube Tray. The dual-layer ice cube tray presents an ingenious solution for maximizing ice production and storage. This innovative design comprises 2 layers, each accommodating 32 compartments, resulting in a grand total of 64 compartments dedicated to crafting perfectly sized ice cubes. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Pots. Clay adds a unique flavor to food. For those in love with that finery of the old world, this terracotta curd pot is the right choice for having your dessert in a quintessentially ethnic manner. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Sponge Holder. Designed with drain holes which makes it easier for the sponge to be able to drain quickly, keeping the countertop clean and free of standing water. In contrast to other soap dispensers, ours is equipped with a water storage tray, which can be used to store dirty water that has drained from the sponge. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Grill. Comes with strong wooden handle and steel tongue. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Water Dispenser. Connect the silicone tube and stainless steel tube. Insert the silicone hose to the bottle. Then fasten the pump. Press the button to pump out the water. Press the button again to stop pumping. Charge with the micro USB cable when out of battery. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Spin Mop. The ultimate cleaning solution for your home's floors. Designed to make your cleaning routine effortless and efficient, the Spin Mop offers a range of features that ensure a deep and thorough clean. Extendable long handle. Easily adjust the handle from 18 to 48 inches for versatile cleaning. Sturdy drying basket. Keeps your mop clean and organized when not in use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Scoop. With durable stainless steel that won't chip, pit or rust and a pop-up lever that releases scoops with a simple press. The handle features a soft, non-slip grip. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tea Maker. Designed using heavy, tempered and transparent borosilicate glass that allows you to feel the pleasure of watching the coffee brew. The heat-resistant property of borosilicate glass helps avoid thermal shock. It features amazingly designed non-slip handle that ensures ease and convenience while handling. Moreover, the handle is sturdy, strong, heat-resistant, and not prone to breakage. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Dishcloth. Remove stubborn grease, stains, and food residue easily with this premium steel wire dishwashing cloth designed for effective yet gentle cleaning on utensils and kitchen surfaces. The special woven steel mesh design removes tough dirt without scratching delicate surfaces like non-stick cookware. Rag is soft and easily clean without scratch, even on non-stick coating. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Spice box. Features 8 small and 1 large container, perfectly designed to accommodate a variety of spices and herbs. The middle partition ensures efficient space utilization, making it easier to access and organize your favorite masalas at a glance. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Wiper. Used in the living room, kitchen, bathroom, swimming pool. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Tissue box. Is made of high-quality eco-friendly plastic, no strange odor, lightweight and exquisite. Draw paper smoothly, wide mouth design, smooth extraction. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Kadai. Provides even heat distribution, making it perfect for all cooktops, including induction. The cast stainless steel riveted handle is ergonomically designed with a silicone grip to provide maximum comfort and safety. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Chopper. Equipped with sharp pyramid-shaped cutting blades for efficient and smooth cutting of fruits and vegetables. Provides efficient and convenient chopping or dicing without the need for electricity. Allows you to skillfully prepare homemade breakfast, lunch and dinner to entice the taste buds of your family. A simple solution can meet all your needs. The blade in non-toxic, BPA-free ABS plastic. Not only a good kitchen helper for yourself, but also a decent and considerate gift for friends. Enjoy cooking again. The all-round kitchen helper can help you achieve it. Designed for user convenience, with a simple operation, easy cleaning process, and compact storage. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Electric coffee grinder. Large hopper holds up to 200 grams of coffee beans, perfect for grinding multiple cups or preparing coffee for guests. With 38 grind settings, choose from a range of grind sizes to suit your preferred brewing style, from fine espresso grounds to coarse French press grinds. Introducing the ultimate solution for all your grinding needs, the portable electric grinder, a versatile dry grinder machine for home designed to elevate your culinary experiences. This innovative spice grinder for kitchen is engineered to bring convenience and efficiency into your daily cooking routine, offering a seamless blend of functionality and style. Whether you are a coffee aficionado or a culinary enthusiast, this compact and efficient device promises to be an indispensable addition to your kitchen. Crafted to perfection, our coffee grinder electric is equipped with powerful stainless steel blades capable of delivering one-touch quick grinding for masala, spices, coffee beans, and more. The mini grinder machine for kitchen is designed to handle a variety of ingredients, from herbs and spices to grains, making it a versatile tool for any home chef. Product link is given in the 22nd link.